Patabid Quantify using standard Office documents in your Takeoff here. So what I'm going to do is create a new estimate here, and we'll give it a name, and I'm going to hit create. And then I'm going to click on this. Same as always, I'm creating a new estimate here, but what I'm going to do is drag in a few different files here. So we'll drag and drop these in, and you'll see that we've got this general documents section now, which will be different than our regular construction drawing documents in here. So all of these are being categorized in here according to the type of file that they are and how the takeoff will be performed with those. I can now open up this estimate, and we are now inside here. This works very similar. If you don't upload any general Office documents, it's going to operate exactly the same. You can click on drawing pages here, and they're going to open up in here. You can perform your takeoff. But if you've uploaded other documents, so I've got this cable schedule in an Excel format here. When I click on that, it's going to actually open it up in Excel in my browser here. And this is open for me to do whatever I need to it. So I can collapse this side down, for example. I can start to delete rows out of here, organize this however I may need to, and begin to work with this. And what this is letting me do here is start to consolidate my cable schedule in here. If I wanted to add in a column here, and I'm going to call this one, I'll merge these to match the other ones here, and I'll call this quantity. Collapse this down a little bit here, and let's say that I had 1,500 feet of this. Here we go, once I put this all together. Pulling out my database here, I can actually perform takeoff out of this now. What I can do is go in here, and I'm going to take off an assembly here, feeder. I'm going to grab my tech here, copper. I'm just going to grab one of these, collapse this back down here. And this one is 500 MCM. So I'll grab my 500 MCM here, quantity of 3 in here. I'm just making up some values in here, and I'll add a buffer of 10 feet for cut length here. And I can actually copy and paste out of here. So I can Control C and Control V my quantity in here and hit commit. And that's going to bring this into my estimate now. If I pull this up here, I can see everything that this assembly is bringing in for me. Collapse it back down. I can collapse this right down here, so I'm working within my Excel sheet. But everything is being saved in here, and this is full multi-user. You can have multiple estimators working with these documents at the same time and collaborating on this. If I go and do some further drawing-based takeoff here, flip back over to a drawing, for example, you'll see my audit trail is linked to the individual documents here. So if I just grab a quick count of these receptacles, for example, here, there we go. Send that off for the AI to do a count on that. While that's going on here, I can set up my scale and apply that and take off some cable in here. Here we go. Run that out here. And I'm basically just putting together my estimate here. I am going to copy this, left click, and then you can right click to end all of these tools and refresh this. Now, all of this takeoff is being tied to the correct documents. If I switch back over to my Excel sheet here, we can see everything is linked back to its source document. When I go to close this project, so flipping over to summary quickly here, we can see everything that we've taken off. Go into closing. If I use my drawing, which is drawings and documents in here, I can actually get my breakdown for each one of these in here. So I can assign a crew to my cable schedule. I can assign a separate crew to the rest of the work here. However, I need to organize this, I can plug it in here and work my way down to a final sale price in here. So this is the new capability in here of dealing with any sort of documentation in your takeoff, linking your takeoff to it, linking in any of these kind of component pieces.